How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another daily video here at our shop at 88 Rotors Off-Road in South El Monte, California. We have a treat for you guys today. We will be modifying this brand new 2020 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. The owner of the vehicle wanted to retain the factory Fox TRD Pro suspension on here, so we decided to use a 1-inch front shim and a 1-inch rear coil spacer. The Sequoia TRD Pro comes with a 32-inch stock tire size. We're going to be upsizing it to a 285, 75, 18 on the factory BBS wheels. That's equivalent to a 34.8-inch diameter and about 11.2-inch width. And of course, in order for us to clear that completely with articulation with the wheels turned, we are doing our body mount job. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to reach out to us anytime. You can call us during regular business hours or message us through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. Unlike the Tundra TRD Pro, which comes standard with the TRD exhaust, the TRD Pro Sequoia has an option for a TRD exhaust. Unfortunately, this one did not come with it, so we are going to be installing it for the customer. We noticed a few exterior changes that Toyota made on the TRD Pro. This model Sequoia comes with a blacked out front grille with the signature Toyota logo, blacked out emblems and badges all around, black 18-inch BBS wheels, a roof rack, some LED headlights, and a factory set of rigid fog lights. And if you take a peek underneath the front end, you will also see a TRD skid plate. And if you look under the wheel well and behind the wheel and tire, you will see the beefier 2.5-inch Fox TRD Pro suspension. Mechanically, the TRD Pro has no differences from the rest in the Sequoia range. The power plant is still a 5.7-liter V8 with 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. It still has a 6-speed automatic transmission with a full-time 4-wheel drive system with a Torsen, LSD, and low-speed transfer case. We hope that you're enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and our channel, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Here we are ditching the 32-inch tires for a 35 equivalent Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. Once again, they are a 285/75/18, which equates to about 34.8 inches and 11.2 inches in width. Here you can see the 1-inch coil spacer has already been installed. The front 1-inch shim has also been installed, so next step is to install the TRD exhaust. Here you can see the stock exhaust that we're about to remove. We're also working on this Tundra on the other rack. This one's getting a king setup installed. If you want to see the full video of this one, we'll be publishing it in the next couple of days. Let's peek under there to see the TRD exhaust installed. A quick comparison so you can see the difference in size from the original Michelin tires to the new Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. 275/65/18 switched over to the 285/75/18. Here you can see the black chrome tips on the TRD exhaust. With the suspension mods complete and the exhaust now on, our tech is going to jump right in there and start the body mount chop. If you want to see more detailed videos of the BMC, our body mount chop, check out our description below and click on one of the 2 links. We have more detailed videos of it on there in our channel. The BMC gives us about an extra 1.5 inches of extra tire clearance. and this is the finished product. Looks pretty stock, don't you think? And of course, the BMC was completed on the driver's side as well. And now for the magical moment. It's going to be lowered down to the ground so we can see its new height with the new larger tires. 1 inch lift doesn't sound like much, but it definitely makes a big difference, especially with new larger tires. With the base price of about $64,000, do you think this SUV is worth the money? Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Keep on watching to the very end to see a quick before and after of the build. As for now, thank you very much for viewing. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every single time we post a new daily video. Let's go back to a quick before and after. This is the before, and this is where it's at now. That's a wrap for this 2020 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro.